foam-free, fabulous, alternative mechanics. In this Flower School video, we'll show you how it's done using the Pantone color of the year, Very Peri. As I gathered flowers for this vase, I went to the florabundance.com website and I sorted by color so that I could choose things that would go with that Pantone Very Peri. First thing I found was the delphinium, absolutely a perfect match. The Veronica, also grand. Then I thought, ooh, brightening it with a little bit of allium, and the antique hydrangea, how perfect. For foliage, I decided to stick with a blue-gray rather than going to deep green. So Dusty Miller, eucalyptus, absolutely perfect. Then as I was browsing, I found the magnolia, and I thought, this branch I have to have. Actually, there were several branches. This was the best. I picked it out. And I'm just going to set that into the vase. And then my mechanics are all going to be natural. So I'm going to use the branch as support and the hydrangea as an armature for all the rest of the flowers. The eucalyptus, it extends out so beautifully. Elongates the design. I can mold it a bit if I want it to angle downward. Coming in tall with the delphinium. Feeding it right into the vase. And repeating, getting that vertical movement. Then enhancing the line, coming out to the side a little more with the Veronica. It's a little more delicate. Finding a hole in the hydrangea to feed it in. And then coming back with a little more delphinium. And of course, I can't forget the allium. As I finish, I just need to balance out now the two sides. We've got eucalyptus coming out, maybe adding a little bit more on this side, also extending outward. Getting a little more fullness. And then lastly, coming back with just a bit of the Dusty Miller, letting it soften, draping over the front, finding the perfect hole to feed it in, and repeating it, and then adding just a bit more to make sure it's full and lush. For the recipe, I sourced everything from florabundance.com. The mechanics I started with was the magnolia branch and a single hydrangea. Then I added 4 delphinium, 2 allium, and 7 Veronica to fill in and to add contrast, a little bit of Dusty Miller, a little bit of eucalyptus, and voila, it be done. Designing with the Pantone color of the year is going to be so much fun. You can find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. Now, it's your turn. What are you going to create using the Pantone Very Peri hue in its tints, tones, and shades? Be sure to design away, take a picture, and then post it on social media. Hashtag Flow Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.